How to reset the check engine light in simple steps. Hope the video helps and that you successfully learn to reset the check engine light without a scanner. If you find the time, please like and subscribe, it's a huge help for what we're doing. Method 1. Reset the check engine light with a push button start. If your car has a push button start, do these things to clear the check engine light. Turn off the engine. Put your foot on the brake pedal. Hold down the start button for 10 to 15 seconds, or until the check engine light goes off. Release the brake pedal. Start the engine for the vehicle. Method 2. Using the ignition key. All you need is your car's ignition key. Do not start the engine when you turn the ignition key to the on position. Wait for 10 seconds. Press the off button on the ignition key. Do steps 1 to 3 3 times. Check to see if the check engine light is off after you start the car. Method 3. Turn the car on and off 3 times. Some vehicles will automatically reset the trouble codes that cause the initial error after the vehicle is turned on and off 3 times in succession. To do this, insert your key into the ignition, turn the vehicle on for about a second, and then off for about a second. Repeat this 2 more times, then drive the car as normal. Check to see if the check engine light reset. Method 4. Disconnect and reconnect the battery. Open the car's hood. Remove the negative cable first, then remove the positive plus cable, wrapping the cable terminals with electrical tape. Drain any remaining electricity, for example, press the horn for 20 to 30 seconds, turn on the lights. Wait 15 to 30 minutes before reconnecting the battery cables. Positive plus first, negative last. Once you drain the remaining power in the battery, insert the key in the ignition and turn the car on, off 3 times. This should delete the emission and flag data from the internal memory. Wait a couple of minutes, and the check engine light should be gone. Method 5. Unplug the engine control fuse. You can turn off your car's check engine light by removing the engine control unit's fuse and reinstalling it. Find the check engine light fuse in the fuse box. The fuse's name is usually cell or check engine light. Older cars may benefit from this, but newer ones will not. It's easy to try. Your repair manual will tell you where the fuse is. Method 6. Drive your car and let the light go off by itself. Driving and patience are the first and easiest ways of resetting the check engine light. The majority of onboard computers will check the issue that triggered the check engine light several times. Drive your car as usual. 3 days later, if the check engine light is still on, your issue might not have been resolved. If the light stays on after a few tries, you should take your car to a mechanic to find out what's wrong and fix it.